Hey everyone, JT here. Welcome to our journey into the exciting world of entrepreneurship. In this first lesson, we will dive into the entrepreneurial mindset, the foundation for your success as a business owner. I love the quote, "You had a mission before someone had an opinion." It's a powerful reminder that your vision, your purpose, and your drive, that's what matters most when you're starting a business. Think about it. When you first get to that spark of an idea, that passion to create something new, it's exhilarating. But then doubts creeps in. You start thinking the what ifs. What if I don't work? What if the people don't like it? What if I fail? And it's not just your own doubts that you have to contend with. There will always be those who question your path, those who offer you unsolicited advice, those who try to steer you away from your dreams. But here's the thing, you had a mission before any of those doubts or opinions surfaced. Your mission is your North Star. Your mission is your guiding light. It's the reason you're embarking on this entrepreneur journey in the first place. And if you stay focused on that mission, all those doubts and distractions will fade away. So, how do you stay true to your mission? First, write it down. Clearly define your mission and what you want to achieve with your business. Second, visualize your success. Imagine yourself achieving your goals and the impact your business will have. Third, surround yourself with positive people. Connect with other entrepreneurs who support and inspire you. Don't be afraid to take risks. Stepping outside of your comfort zone is part of your entrepreneur journey. And fifth, learn from your setbacks. Failure is an opportunity to learn and to grow. Remember, your mission is your compass. It will guide you through the challenges and the uncertainties of entrepreneurship. So embrace your mission, stay focused, and don't let anyone's opinions dim your entrepreneurial fire.